Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, and comment. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click that bell for all notifications. So let's get into this video. So I wanted to come back on here and talk more about what happened to me on Instagram. And as of now, I still do not have my Instagram account. There has been someone that has taken over my Instagram account, and some of y'all have realized this. And I just want to make sure everyone knows. So if you have not seen the other video, please go on there and watch that and share it and make sure everybody sees it and knows about it. I did not realize how easy it was to take over someone's Instagram account. I found this out by just doing a little research, but there's actually videos out there that show you how to take over someone's Instagram account. I was pretty shocked that, that somebody could do this just that easy by watching a video. Well, I think that's pretty bad, but I wanted, everybody to pass the word around so we can get this stopped, because I think it's a crime that this is happening. But just share the video if you can. I have placed it on my Facebook, of course my YouTube, and my Twitter. It's on my Southern Angels Facebook page and in my group, and on my regular Facebook, Tammy Dameron. If you're following me on any of that, you'll see it, of course, here. So just make sure you get the word out, let people know that I have been hacked. I don't have any control over what's going on my Instagram. I have seen some of the posts because, like I said, my Southern Angels Stamping page is connected to my Instagram. So what he has posted on Instagram has come over, of course, to Southern Angel Stamping. But I have, when it has happened, I have, of course, deleted anything. So I watch for it. But I have made people aware of anything. I wanted people to see that I did not post it. So I did do that on the page. But like I said, I wanted to come back on here and talk a little bit more about it. I've just been hurt, angry, appalled. I've had several people get in touch with me saying they've reported it. Of course, I've reported it. I'm trying to figure out how to get my account back without having to make another account, because there was so much on that from having it for many years. I don't know yet if I'm going to be able to get the account back. I did find a video that showed me how the girl that was showing how said that even she did finally get her account back. It happened to her twice. This was a couple of years ago, though, she made this video. And in the process of the second time she did it, she was even trying to make another account, and even that was hard for her to make another account. She explained, though, why that shouldn't be a problem, because she had Instagram blocked on her phone. This is the reason why, to get the code sent to her. I will have to see what I'm going to do. I haven't decided if I want to try and make another account yet. Right now, I'm really focusing on my YouTube mostly, since I've just started getting back into that. I had just started posting. That was the thing. I haven't, been on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, anything. And I still haven't even Posted on, oh, my mind's blank yet because it's been so long since I posted. Well, I haven't done anything on Snapchat. I'm just starting to get back because I just took a break from any social media for about 2 months. I just needed a break from everything. And now I'm just getting back. And I had just made 2 posts on Instagram. And I thought it was somebody I knew sent me a message. I was checking my messages because I hadn't even checked messages. Somebody I knew sent me that message. And I answered it, and I got hacked, and that was it. I lost my account. Just that simple and easy. And now that message is on my Instagram for people to message, and it's being sent out through my messenger on Instagram and on my as a post. And I'm warning people, do not answer it. Do not answer it. Do not answer that question because you'll lose your account. Not only that, they'll get your bank account. They'll get your any kind of account you've got, because that's what he was trying to get to me. I had to change my PayPal so he wouldn't get my PayPal. I changed the password 3 times, matter of fact, and I noticed on my bank account that I was using for my Stampin' Up! Business, which there's just like $1 and something left in that account. He was trying to, I'm guessing it's the same person. It just seems weird because that account's already been hacked before a couple of times, and I never would use it anymore. Stampin' Up! Would have to send me a check. I warned them, because if money got put in that account, it would be gone. So I already had that problem with that bank account. Well, I just noticed today that it happened again. I don't know if it's the same person, but it just seems funny how all of a sudden now someone's trying to take money out of that account. So I think it's the same person, because they're trying to get bank information from people. He was from me, so you could send that fake $1,000. Be wary out there, even if you think it's someone you know. It's phony. It's a hacker, and I'm just warning people because I don't want anybody to get hacked. I don't want anybody to lose any money in their account. Just thank God I didn't have any money in my account, or I would lose money. I just want to warn y'all, pass the word around, and please, like I said, just share the information and let other people know, because I don't want anybody else to be hacked by this person. Thank y'all for watching, and God bless all of y'all. Have a blessed day.